learned today? I think we learned there's no losers when it comes to popcorn. Made delicious popcorn. It was very tender, very evenly popped. I will say it was futzy. I think maybe I could have let it go the extra minute and whatever. There's a lot of unpopped kernels in there. We'll see what we end up with. Preheated our electric range on medium high. It says it should take approximately 3 minutes to pop, and we are going to be spinning this the entire time. 2 minutes left. This is when it says we should start hearing popping. I haven't heard a whole lot of popping. Let's see what we got going on. We have absolutely nothing. No toasted popcorns. That could just be my fault. I could have just wasted 3 minutes of our lives. Try this again. Timer's on. So we have a higher heat and I'm going to stir slower. I think it's just starting to pop. Oh, you can hear it. Oh yeah, that's the moneymaker right there. It's like 4th of July in a bucket. Oh my God. It is getting harder to turn the wheel now. It says don't force the wheel. The massive popping is done. Whew! Hot. Dang! Look at that! Yeah! Alright, let's get this into a bowl. Boop. Hot. Don't put your hands on that. Oh God, there's so much. I never thought that'd be a problem. More bowls! And that's what it looks like on the inside afterwards. Looks like it'll just be an easy cleanup of just wiping it out once it's cooled down. Overall, I think that works really well after I turned the heat up. It's a nice soft popcorn. We got some underpopped ones that have now floated down to the bottom. Popcorns are like snowflakes, you know? They're all so unique, and they're all delicious when you stick your tongue out and they land on them. Moving on! Put some kernels in here, and then dump them into here, and then pop it for 2.5 to 3 minutes. It says that if we want to add butter, we certainly can. They're not judging us if we do or if we don't, but I'm going to not. This goes in. Oh, look at that. Hot. Also hot, but I think maybe adding a little butter wouldn't hurt. So the canister itself, pretty dang hot. You can see it's got a lot of condensation going on. There's a lot of burning kernels in there as well, if you can see them. Ooh, hot. Thanks for joining us on Stuff Lab. We'll see you next time.